Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to explain you how to create an Excel sheet. So this is an Excel sheet. When you open this Excel sheet, you can see all rows and columns. All rows will be represented with numbers 1, 2, 3, so on, and all columns will be represented with letters A, B, C, D. So the intersection of this row and column will call it as a cell. So here the cell notation can be represented in this name box A1. So here A1 means this is the active cell. Now when you press on another cell, you can see here D3. So D3 means it is a combination of column name and row name. So wherever the active cell will be there, that name will be represented in the name box. So this is the entire home page. Now where you can see the title bar has book 1 Excel, because we did not mention and any title for this, so by default it will be book 1, because every Excel sheet is treated as a workbook. So it is a book 1. Now these are the quick access icons. As of now only one icon is there, that is save button, and these are the tabs which are present in the menu bar: file tab, home tab, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help. And all these are all formatting buttons, tags and all. And now quickly we'll move on to our Excel sheet. So first of all, before proceeding into the Excel sheet, first let me save this document. So here we are going to save the document. Let us say first Excel. By default the Excel extension, the file extension will be .xlsx. So press save button. Now your file is saved. So here you can see the title name, which was saved as first Excel. Previously it was book 1. Now we have given the name, so it was written as first Excel. Right, and now where you can type your text over here. Now at the same time you can change the cell formatting. This is the default size of the cell. Now if you want to increase the cell, yes, you can increase it by moving. See, you can see the width size over there. Just you can drag like this with the mouse pad, so that you can increase your cell. If you drag for the right side, it will increase the cell. Similarly, if you drag for the left side, it will decrease the cell size. The same process can be applied even for row also. This is the height of the row. This is the default, that is 24 pixels. Now you can increase the row size like this. This is one format of changing the cell formats. The other format is you can even change by using other options, like click on this and you can insert, like if you want to insert any cell after the any row after the existing row, yes, you can insert by using this option, insert button. Shift cells down or shift the entire row, means it will insert on the top of the row. So here you can see first row is inserted on the above of the existing row. So in this way we can adjust the cell height and width. Thank you. In upcoming video, we'll see more operations of Excel. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the channel and share the video. Thank you.